We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS Stock, Sensionics Holdings Inc. And the stock continues to fall. We have some key levels to talk about, but it wasn't the only stock falling. The overall market, a lot of stocks were falling. The SPY was even going downwards. And our SPY bot today sent us out a bear indicator since 10:35 a.m. And put options were up 3 to 4x within minutes, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, which gets you access to the premium indicators and the SPY bot to maximize on the volatility within the moves, no matter which way stocks are going, whether they're going up or down. So SENS Stock, Sensionics Holdings Inc. is here hitting newer lows. We're going to break it all down in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the spectacular home run opportunities I mentioned last week on the weekly watch list. I know I talk about daily opportunities, but we have opportunities for all types of traders. Whether you're a long-term trader, short-term trader, day trader, swing trader, does not matter. There's an opportunity for everyone. And these turned out to be phenomenal and they cannot be overlooked. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And we look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump into everything here with SENS Stock. So the home runs of the week were spectacular and beyond expectations. And I know I always talk about daily opportunities, but we also have weekly opportunities as they present themselves. So if you guys want to know early on every day in the pre-market what stocks we're watching and also weekly, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day and week. Now, these are the two stocks I mentioned on the weekly watch list. I expressed why I was watching them, and both of them turned out to be home runs last week within just a matter of days. The first one here is STRN. Lowest point of the week was 173. Started to pick up traction here. You could see the weakness here on 42 vision, shifting into strength. Got a bull indicator and hit a highest point of 30% plus. And then we caught MTTR as well, lowest point of 781, started to reverse. Full strength here on 42 vision, got a bull indicator and hit a highest point of 20% plus in a matter of 2 days as well. If you guys want to gain on early with us and know about these stocks before they take off, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS Stock, Sensionics Holdings Inc. And it just continues to go down after the FDA approval. Things went down pretty fast. I stated that throughout the week, it was going to possibly consolidate. And if it tried to reverse, it needed to break through 250 and even up towards back to $270 and $3. If it didn't, $2 was the support, right? We talked about the supports of 220 all the way up here towards 230 and then all the way down towards $2. And if $2 got broken through, we could see this go into newer lows. And here we are. Let me pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks are going. So SENS Stock, news came out, and by the looks of it, this was basically one of those situations where people were after it when it was all rumors and then getting out of it once it all came out and became real news. That's literally how this stock reacted. If you zoom out, everything was anticipated. We got the news way back in January. This is why it spiked up here from the $2 range to $3 range when the CEO had stated that within the next few weeks, the FDA was going to look over everything and make a decision. It got the approval, and once it was getting closer to that time frame, You could see how things were running. It was very short-lived and then fell right back down. And now we're below the supports that this stock had when it was going downwards and started to run. So this is a very bearish stance. If you zoom out and you put it on the 4-hour, things have been bearish since way up here at 367. No bull indicators have popped up, and I've talked about how important it is to watch and see if bull indicators were to pop up as things tried to reverse. One of the strongest reversals was right here from $2 back up to $2.20, and it rejected just as fast. Way back down below $2, we're at the 170s, and we are in extreme weakness based off 42 vision. Now, I have shared how 42 vision allows me to see the dips and rips, and that's right here. Once it's in white with red borders, the shift starts into red with green borders, dark green, extra layer of confirmation with that bull indicator, and then full strength of green. That's when 42 vision is coming with strength, and that's how I was able to see the most recent reversal, and we were tracking it together. As soon as things started to shift downwards, we went over it, we talked about it, and white with red borders, all of this area here is extreme weakness. Now, does it guarantee that there'll be a reversal? No, because as you see it here, it actually took a double bottom effect to try to come back up, go back down before it took off. And there's plenty of other times where Sensionics Holdings Inc. actually falls for weeks and days at a time, showing extreme weakness, tries to reverse, very short-lived, even though when you look at the chart from 240 back up to 320, that's almost a 20 to 30% move, and then it consolidated, right? Then it fell again, and then it finally reversed. So what I'm trying to share with you guys here is 42 vision allows me to see the dips and rips. The extra layer of confirmations of bull and bear indicators definitely enhance the experience of what's going on. And on the 4-hour, we would have known, right, since way back here, 367, where the bear indicator first popped up, that things have been bearish all along. There's no reversal. There has been no strength based off the 4-hour. And if I put the 1 day, same exact thing. Now, on the 1 day, you do not see white with red borders pop up every single time, right? They're rare. You could see those are the last 3 times. And the last time that happened was last year in April, before it consolidated and took off again from $2 all the way up to $4.58. Now, am I guaranteeing that something like that is going to happen again? No, because right now the stock is no longer a rumor. The news is official, and it's important to realize that based off the 1 day, it could take several bars back to back. The last time it was 4, the last time it was 5. So this is just the first one. This could continue going into further weakness through the volatility and going lower just based off history, how many bars back to back happened before a reversal started. So on the 1 day and the 4-hour, I'm going to be watching carefully for a possible reversal and an extra layer of confirmation of a bull indicator if there's going to be any strength here coming back up, whether it's a dead cat bounce or actual momentum based off the 1 day and the 4-hour. But right now, things are extreme weakness. We're under bear indicators and no sign of a bull indicator popping up anytime soon. And we have support levels and resistance levels to talk about, right? So the $2 range was a support, right? It was a support. We broke through it. That's our new resistance level, right? We need to see this stock break through $2 to get back up, use it as support, and start pushing up higher so we can start talking about 220, 230, 240, and so forth. Now to the downside, the most recent support is 170. The 52-week low is 162. I stated in my first video, the first day things started to pull downwards and it was looking bearish. If it broke through $2, we could retest the 52-week low or somewhere near it or even below it. We're not that far from it. 170 is only 8 cents, the recent low from the 52-week low, and we need to watch this if it could be used as support or if it's going to get broken through, and then we have to start talking about 150 and possibly 130 and we don't want to start thinking about $1 or below that, right? Because this isn't penny stock range, but going towards $1 or below it is even more risky, because then now it can actually get into a situation of delisting if the NASDAQ and the whole entire market comes after it. So super important to realize that this is a penny stock. Everybody was waiting for the news, and you could just see how investors are reacting. I know there's some people that are probably trying to see this for the long haul or long term, and if it grows, if its revenue keeps on expanding, and if the company can actually get a piece of the pie of its niche, I could see growth coming for it, but it's far from it. Now, this is a big move for the company, for the innovation and the tech, but we need to remember the technicals and what's going on in the chart, because it's moving pretty quickly and we're now below $2. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make